this idea of tailoring to the patient's symptoms, I think is really important. And I'm curious, and it also raises a challenge, right? Because we have patients on the one hand who are reporting to us the suffering that they have in their lives, right? So they are struggling with symptoms like depression, one of the things that you're working on. But the recordings that you are making in the brain aren't necessarily linked to the symptoms that the patients themselves are experiencing. So I'm curious how you're bridging that gap within your own research.
That's a fantastic question. And that's actually the major challenge that we formulate in developing these mathematical techniques, that the signals that we record from the brain don't just relate to the symptom state. They relate to a lot of things that the brain is doing, whether we're talking or moving or experiencing other things. So the techniques that we actually develop try to dissociate those dynamics and changes in brain activity patterns that are actually symptom relevant by both using the neural activity to model, but also using labels of what the symptoms are over time as guidance to try to identify those relevant patterns and dissociate them from irrelevant patterns. So that's actually one of the major directions in the proposal that I wrote, how we want to actually achieve that mathematically.